The West Agartala Police have apprehended 2 individuals who allegedly abducted and critically dragged an on-duty traffic assistant sub-inspector on a car bonnet through the busy Battala traffic point. The arrested duo has been identified as Pranay Majumder from Madhuban, Kathaltali and Prosenjit from West Pratapgarh. According to police sources, the suspects forced an interception leading to the harrowing incident where the officer was dragged on the vehicle's bonnet at a high speed. The police requested a 5-day custodial remand to interrogate the accused, unearth the motive behind the abduction, and check for a larger criminal network. Reported by Amit from Agartala, Chini, Khorang.